You can use simple expressions like I usually, my days are, I often.
Okay. I usually wake up early, and my days are quite structured.
Very good. That's clear. Hi, Jack. How are you today?
Hi, Clara. I'm okay. A little tired, but in a good way.
A good kind of tired? That sounds interesting.
Yes. I was thinking about my days lately, my habits, my routine. Everything feels different here.
That happens a lot when you move to a new country.
Exactly. Sometimes people ask me questions about my life, and I want to answer well, but I feel slow.
Talking about your lifestyle can feel big, but it doesn't have to be complicated.
That's reassuring, because my lifestyle sounds simple in my head, but hard in English.
And that's actually what we're going to work on today. Today, we're talking about lifestyle in English in a clear, simple, and natural way.
That already feels less scary.
But before we continue, let's ask a small favor to our viewers.
Yes, let's do that.
To everyone watching and learning English with us, please subscribe and like this video.
And don't forget to share it with other English learners. It really helps.
Great. Now, Jack, when someone asks you about your lifestyle, where do you think you should start?
Honestly, I usually freeze a little. I think, do they want everything or just one thing?
That's very honest. So today, imagine this situation. You meet someone new and they ask, "What is your lifestyle like?"
That question again.
Don't worry, we'll break it down. When you talk about your lifestyle, you don't say everything at once. Usually, you talk about how you live, what you do every day, your habits, and sometimes what you like or avoid. You choose a few simple ideas and you connect them calmly. That's enough for a clear answer.
Okay, so I don't need a perfect story.
Exactly, just a real one. Let's start with your daily rhythm. Imagine someone asks, "How are your days usually?"
That feels like a good place to begin.
You can use simple expressions like I usually, my days are, I often.
Okay, I usually wake up early, and my days are quite structured.
Very good. That's clear.
It sounds serious, but it's true.
You can also soften it. For example, my days are simple but organized.
I like that. My days are simple, but organized.
Next, people often want to know about habits, not big things, just normal habits.
Like coffee habits?
Exactly like coffee habits.
Okay, I usually drink coffee in the morning. It helps me focus.
Perfect. You explained the habit and the reason.
That feels surprisingly easy.
You can also say, I try to, when the habit is not perfect.
Oh, I need that one. I try to sleep early, but it doesn't always work.
That sounds very human. Another common part of lifestyle is balance, work and free time.
This part is sensitive.
You don't need details, just general ideas.
All right. I work during the week, and I try to relax on weekends.
Very natural.
I sometimes feel guilty when I rest.
You can express that too.
I work a lot, so I really value my free time.
Excellent sentence. Lifestyle also includes how you take care of yourself.
Without sounding like a health magazine?
Without sounding like one.
Okay. I try to eat well, and I walk a lot during the day.
Good. Simple and positive.
I don't go to the gym, and I'm okay with that.
That is also a lifestyle choice. Sometimes people ask why you live this way.
That part feels deeper.
You can keep it light. All right, I like a calm lifestyle because it helps me think clearly.
That's a beautiful reason.
It sounds wiser than I feel.
Let's try a short role play. I'm your neighbor.
Okay, I'm ready, I think.
Hi, Jack. What is your lifestyle like?
Well, my lifestyle is simple. I usually work during the week. I drink too much coffee in the morning, and I try to rest on weekends. I value calm moments, so I don't like very busy days.
That sounded very clear and very natural.
Really? Because inside my head it felt longer.
That's a good sign. It means you're thinking in English. Now that you can talk about your lifestyle calmly, the next step is using this in real conversations.
Like with neighbors or coworkers.
Exactly. And next, you'll see how this works in real life.
All right, I'm ready to try.
Jack, now it's time to practice what you learned yesterday. Are you ready?
I think so. I'm a little nervous, but let's do it.
Look, your neighbor is coming now. Just remember what we practiced.
Okay, here we go.
Hi, Jack. Good morning. How are you today?
Hi, good morning. I'm doing well, thank you. And you?
I'm fine, thanks. It's a beautiful day, isn't it?
Yes, very nice. The sun is, bright, and I like it.
I like that too. So, Clara told me you wanted to practice your English today.
Ah, yes. I want, to talk about my lifestyle.
Sounds interesting. Tell me about it.
Well, my lifestyle is quite simple. I usually wake up early, around 6. Then I make coffee and I read for a little while.
That sounds like a nice morning routine.
Yes, it is calm and I like calm mornings. After that, I usually work from home. I check emails and do tasks for my job.
I see. Do you work long hours?
Not too long. I try to finish by 6. Then I relax, maybe watch a show or listen to music.
That makes sense. What kind of music do you like?
I like soft music, classical sometimes, and jazz a little.
Jazz is nice. Do you ever play any instruments?
Oh no, I tried piano once, very long ago. I was terrible.
It's okay. Maybe one day you will try again.
Maybe, but for now I just listen. After music, I usually cook dinner. Simple meals, not fancy.
What kind of meals?
I like pasta, salads, sometimes eggs and vegetables. Nothing complicated.
Sounds healthy. Do you exercise as well?
Yes, I try to walk every day around the park near my home. It helps me feel relaxed.
Walking is great. I do that too sometimes. What about weekends?
Weekends are more relaxed. I meet friends sometimes, or I stay home and read. I like calm weekends, but I also like to try new things.
Like what?
Sometimes I try a new recipe, or I go to a museum. I like art.
Art is wonderful. Which museum did you go to recently?
I went to the Modern Art Museum last Saturday. I really liked the paintings with bright colors. They make me feel happy.
I love that. Colors can change the mood. Do you like to paint yourself?
No, I think I would make a mess. But I like to look at others' paintings.
That's fine. Looking is also enjoyable. Do you have other hobbies?
Yes, I like writing small notes, like my thoughts or little stories. It's private, but it helps me think clearly.
That's wonderful. Writing is very personal and relaxing.
Yes, it is. And sometimes I read what I wrote later and I smile.
It sounds like you have a very balanced lifestyle, calm but active in your own way.
Yes, I try. Balance is important.
Absolutely. And it seems you have a good routine with morning calm, work, music, cooking, and walks.
Thank you. I think so too. And I enjoy small things like a coffee in the morning or a walk in the park.
That's the best part of life, small daily moments.
Yes, exactly. Even small moments are important.
I like that. What about friends? Do you spend time with them often?
Yes, not every day, but on weekends sometimes. We meet for coffee or a walk. Simple and nice.
It's good to maintain friendships. Do you like to talk about your lifestyle with friends too?
Sometimes, but usually we talk about work or food. Talking about lifestyle is more serious.
I see. But you're doing very well. You explain clearly.
Thank you. I feel more confident now, thanks to Clara.
I'm glad you think so. And do you enjoy cooking with friends sometimes?
Yes, sometimes we cook together. Easy meals, pasta or salad, and we talk. I like that.
Sharing food is always fun.
Yes, it's relaxing and we laugh a lot.
Laughter is important. What about music when you cook?
Ah, yes. Sometimes jazz or soft music. It makes cooking nicer.
I like that idea. Music can change the mood.
Exactly. Music and simple meals. That's my style.
I like it. And walks in the park, reading, calm weekends, very complete.
Yes, calm but enjoyable.
You're very clear, Jack. I think anyone asking about lifestyle would understand you well.
Thank you. I feel more confident now.
That's great. I enjoyed hearing about your days.
Me too. It's nice to talk.
Well done, Jack. You applied everything perfectly.
Thank you. It was fun. Real conversation is a little scary, but rewarding.
I hope we can talk again soon.
Yes, that would be nice.
See? You can express a full lifestyle naturally, and it feels smooth.
Yes, and I'm ready to do it more often.
Jack, that was a very rewarding talk. But before we finish, let's remind our viewers all the expressions we used today.
Sure. I'm excited. We talked a lot about my lifestyle, right?
Exactly. Let's start with one word you used this morning. Morning routine.
Ah, yes, morning routine. It means the things you usually do in the morning. Like I said, I wake up, make coffee, and read a little.
Perfect, Jack. And you used it in a full sentence naturally, which is great for viewers.
Right. I said, my morning routine is calm and relaxing. Makes sense, right?
Yes, it does. Now, another word we used is coffee.
Coffee? Oh, that's easy. It's the hot drink you make from beans. I said, I make coffee every morning. I can't start the day without it.
That's true. And viewers, coffee is really common in English conversations about daily life.
Yes, and sometimes I say coffee helps me wake up. That works too, right?
Exactly, Jack. Another word is walk.
Walk. It's when you move on your feet for exercise or fun. I like walking in the park near my home.
Nice. And you used it naturally. I walk every day to feel relaxed.
Yes, walking and coffee, my secret for calm mornings.
Exactly. Another useful word is relax.
Relax means to feel calm and not stressed. I said I relax in the evening and watch a show.
Perfect. And you even added little details, which helps our viewers understand how to use it in real life.
Yes, and relaxing is fun.
Now, let's look at music.
Music. You know, songs or sounds you listen to. I said I listen to soft music or jazz in the evening.
Exactly. And you even told a small story about it, which makes it real.
Yes, music makes cooking and relaxing nicer.
That reminds me of another word, cooking.
Cooking is when you prepare food. I said I cook simple meals like pasta and salad.
Perfect example. And simple sentences like this help beginners feel confident to talk about themselves.
Right, and I also said cooking with friends is fun too. That's true in real life.
Yes, Jack. And another word we used is weekends.
Weekends, the days at the end of the week, Saturday and Sunday. Weekends are calm, but I sometimes meet friends or visit a museum.
Great. That gives practical sentences for talking about free time.
And museums, that's another word. You know, I went to the Modern Art Museum last Saturday. It shows hobbies too.
Exactly. Museums are great conversation topics. And another word is friends.
Friends, people you spend time with. Personally, I usually meet friends on weekends for coffee or walks.
Perfect. And it naturally links to lifestyle topics like social activities.
Yes, talking about friends, walks, coffee, it all fits together.
Now, let's review one more. Relaxed.
Relaxed, the feeling when you're calm and happy. I feel relaxed after walking or listening to music.
Exactly, Jack. And that's an important word to describe your lifestyle.
So, morning routine, coffee, walk, relax, music, cooking, weekends, friends, relaxed. Did we cover all?
Yes, and viewers, you can use all these words in your own sentences about your lifestyle.
Right. Viewers, try writing 3 to 5 sentences about your lifestyle in the comments. Use these words if you can. It helps a lot.
And don't worry if it's short or simple. The goal is to practice speaking naturally, just like Jack did today.
Exactly. Don't be shy, viewers. Share your sentences. And remember, the more you practice, the easier it becomes.
And hey, if you enjoyed today's practice, subscribe and turn on notifications so you won't miss the next lesson.
Yes, join us for more fun English practice, viewers. We love seeing your examples.
All right, that's a wrap for today's vocabulary review and practice.
Thank you, Clara. I feel ready to talk about my lifestyle anytime now.
And that's exactly the goal, Jack. Confident, natural English for real life.
Yes, viewers, keep practicing and see you next time.